Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to communicate with your students through the e-learning platform. So I start at a point where I have opened a course and I want to communicate to my students. What do I do? Under this course, I'll go to course management. I click on participants. These are the students on my course. So I scroll down and I will see that I'm given an option to select all the users on this course. So if you have very few users, less than 20, you will not have this button. But if there are many, then you have this button. Supposing you have few users, you just come up here and click on this button, select only those users, a few, all the 20 first users. But for this case, there are many. I'll unselect this, then come down, click on select all the 738 users, and once they are selected, then I should come here. You see, it says select all 20, meaning now the number selected is 738. You will see when I click on here and I choose I want to send them a message, send message. Now the button says send message to 738 people, and I know those are the students that I have on this course. So what I'll do, I'll type the message here. Please remember to come and make presentations on Monday next week. Supposing that was the communication I wanted to make through the platform, then I'll come down here and I click send message to all these guys. Yeah, that is how you communicate to your students through the platform. Thank you.